What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we got a package in our mail from our good boy JT Jonathan Taylor from Slingshot Audio Garage. And what we'll do now is we'll open this thing up and see what we can see inside. You can also find Jonathan on Facebook, Instagram, and all those other platforms. He packed this really well. So in here, we have our new speaker boxes for our Slingshot. See if I can get one out. This is what they look like. So this will be the behind the seat. There's your speaker box itself. There'll be a hole for your wire to come through. Put some silicone on that. And again, these are for two 10-inch. These should give you more bass because the biggest problem with Slingshots are they have nothing for the speaker to load off of. So when the sound goes out, it has nothing to really bounce off of, especially when you pull your seats forward. You know, you flip them up. So hopefully this will fix that problem and we'll have some more bass to go along with all those speakers and all those amps. So let's get into it. Somehow I lost some footage of the project that we're doing, so I'm gonna recreate some of it. Don't know how it's gonna go based on the footage I already have, but anyway, as we go, we're working on flash. As you can see, we took our old speaker boxes. Right here I lost the video or the audio, so basically I'm just pulling the speaker boxes out, showing you where the nuts are, the screws to unbolt that panel. And get those speaker boxes out. And these are the new speaker boxes. So out there, SSV Works 10-inch speaker boxes. In order to get those out, they actually use the factory hose to hold them in. And I'll show you what they look like on the other side. But there's several bolts you have to take out in order to take this plastic piece off. So there's one bolt here that goes underneath. There's two bolts on the side down here. There's a push pin here, a push pin here. You have two bolts up here. You have one bolt that goes underneath this piece right here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts down the side, 3 bolts down this side. Then you have a bolt here, and then 4 bolts along the bottom. We're also in the process of switching out the tar amps, and these are the 800 by 4. I just wasn't impressed with them, so I'm going back to my Sundown SSB series. So we have a 3500 over here that runs our subs. We have a 1000 that runs the outside speakers, all 4 of them. And then we have here a 200.4 that runs the inside pods. And then we'll have another 204 that we'll switch out with this 800 that will actually run the armrest speakers and these tweeters just up here. Those 4 tweeters. So far, like I said, we've taken the box out. We dynamatted this, and yes, I used scrap dynamite, dynamat, just so we can make sure that this thing is nice and solid. And I didn't want to waste this since I had some extra left over. I just went ahead and used what I had to cover this up. So the next step is we need to bolt this back together, because the new boxes that we have are from Slingshot Audio Garage, courtesy of Jonathan Taylor, or JT as he's known on Facebook. So we'll take a look at those right now. And yes, my shop is a mess. It's like 40 degrees outside. We had snow on the ground this morning. You can see we got our our heater on. Best thing I ever installed was that 2-ton mini split. If you want to see a video of it, I'll link a link right up here somewhere and link you to it. So these are the old boxes, and like I said, they use the factory mounting holes to hold these boxes in. These are the new boxes. They're SSV Works. These are SSV Works. These are what they call F1 freestyle boxes. Again, Slingshot Audio Garage, big shout out to them. And basically these actually slide into your storage compartment. So they'll slide in just like this. Then you'll use these screws to bolt them in. Just kind of like that right there. And what I've done is I've taken our LEDs that was on our SSV Works, and I put them on here. So this will actually light up in the port, just down here, and you'll be able to see it light up with the rest of the Slingshot. So we didn't lose our LEDs, which is a good thing. So if you want to see more with this, and let's see us wire these things up and get them installed, and do a reading with our decibel meter, which is right here, stay tuned for the next video. As always, appreciate the love, appreciate all the new subscribers. I think over the last month we had an additional 13 subscribers, so I really do appreciate that. Hopefully y'all like the content that we're doing. As always, hit the like button, because it let our YouTube know that you like the content that we're doing, so we can do more of it and do bigger and better things. As always, hit the bell so you'll get those notifications, and we'll be on to part 2 of getting these things wired and fired. Till then, peace.